Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to our channel Alhusna Institute with new series Learn Arabic. As you know, this channel has been created to provide education for English speakers. If you are a beginner or intermediate Arabic learner, this lesson will be a great help for you. So, to make sure, watch this video till end and leave your reviews in the comment box below for our improvement. So guys, today we will learn about some of famous fruits name. Let's start. Apple, tuffahun, seb. Next is pomegranate, rummanun, anar. Mango, ambijun, manju, am. Orange, burtuqalun, Malta. Coconut, jawzul hind, नारियल. grapes, ainabun, अंगूर. date fruits, tamarun, खजूर. इज्जासन, कुम्मथरा, नाशपाती. next is banana, मौजुन, केला. peach, खौखुन, आड़ू. apricot, मिशमिशुन, खुबानी. watermelon, बित्रीखुन अहमर, तरबूज. So guys, today's lesson end here. We will come back with new lesson inshallah soon. We hope that you will like this lesson. By the way guys, the admissions are open, so who wish to learn Arabic language, basic of Tajweed like Al-Qaida Nuraniya and recitation of Holy Qur'an with Tajweed and Quranic Arabic online can contact us by WhatsApp at the number shown on screen. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, share the video and don't forget to comment to encourage us. Wassalam.